In general, we have friends here. Hello everyone. Yes. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon here, it's the hottest. You know, right, comfortable. I want to die and go straight to hell to at least refresh myself a little there. You have decided to go to the Dubai Mall by taxi. Now we will take a taxi. Then we'll take the subway to the station. There's a Burj Khalifa, a metro station, in my opinion. Here and there we will walk along the Dubai Mall. We looked at the link there, read the 10 best places. There's an aquarium, there's all sorts of restaurants.
Oh, Sinechka, are you filming? Go around the tripod cameras. Everything is set up. I say, we are starting, dear friends.
I hope everything will be fine. We will call a taxi now. We got into a taxi, having previously used the application for ordering a taxi Careem. You can also use Uber if you have one. We were heading by taxi to the nearest metro station, namely the World Trade Center metro station. Once at the station, we boarded the red line in the direction of the EXPO 2020 terminal station. After driving for a short time, about 15 minutes, we got off at the Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall metro station. From there we reached the Dubai Mall shopping center, using connecting paths with travelators designed specifically for visitors heading to the Dubai Mall shopping center. When we entered the mall, we didn't see anything particularly remarkable for ourselves, but looking ahead, it was so far. There were a lot of interesting things waiting for us there. Dubai Mall is one of the largest and most prestigious shopping malls in the world. Located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is an integral part of downtown Dubai, a vibrant and luxurious area known for its iconic landmarks such as the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. Dubai Mall occupies an impressive area and it is about 1 and 2 million square meters. The retail area is about 350,000 square meters. Dubai Mall offers an unprecedented shopping experience. It features more than 1,200 retail outlets, ranging from luxury brands to popular international chains and local boutiques. Whatever you are looking for, be it fashion, electronics, jewelry or home decor, you will most likely find it in the Dubai Mall. One of the highlights of the Dubai Mall is Fashion Avenue, a specialized section featuring the world's most famous brands and designers. It offers a combination of luxury boutiques, flagship stores and haute couture ateliers. Fashion lovers can get acquainted with the latest collections of such iconic brands as Chanel, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Dior and others. In addition to extensive shopping opportunities, Dubai Mall offers a wide range of entertainment options. The mall is home to the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. A fascinating underwater world with thousands of aquatic animals. I'm talking about him in another video, watch it here, a hint from above. After walking around the Dubai Mall for a while, we went to his business card, namely to the waterfalls with divers for pearls. This waterfall is a stunning centerpiece located in the large atrium of the Dubai Mall. This is an impressive art installation depicting pearl fishing, an important part of the history and culture of the region. The waterfall is designed to resemble a cascading waterfall with life-size sculptures of divers diving into the water. The sculpture depicts pearl divers in traditional clothing, reflecting the essence of the historical profession of the emirate. Pearl mining was once an important economic activity in the region and symbolizes the heritage and maritime history of the United Arab Emirates. The waterfall consists of fiberglass diver figures suspended in the air that look like they are diving into a pool of water. The divers are beautifully illuminated and enhancing the visual impact of the installation. The sculpture is surrounded by large cylindrical columns covered with shimmering mosaic tiles, adding to the grandeur of the exposition. This fascinating art installation not only adds aesthetic appeal to the Dubai Mall, but also serves as a cultural tribute to the country's past. Visitors can enjoy the spectacle of the waterfall, take memorable photos and appreciate the fusion of art and history. What else struck us was to see a real dinosaur skeleton in the mall, displayed in one of the halls of the Dubai Mall. The exposed skeleton of a Diplodocus is an original specimen brought from America, the age of which is estimated at about 155 million years. Its length is 24 and 4 meters, and its height is 7 and 6 meters. The dinosaur skeleton is displayed in a unique pose, its long neck gracefully bends over the heads of visitors. Dubai Mall is not only a place for shopping, but also a lively center of entertainment, recreation and culture. It has become the hallmark of Dubai, attracting millions of visitors every year who come to get acquainted with its first-class shops, entertainment and restaurants.